Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I just want to give a quick update on what I've been doing to keep my hair stretched from the blowout and what I'm sort of doing just to get my hair back healthy. I haven't exactly put together a plan. I'm still trying to sort that out, but I just want to give you guys just a little bit of what I've been doing. It's not much. So last night I twisted up my hair. So I haven't been twisting my hair up every single night because I don't want to put too much stress on my hair, but I twist it up as necessary. So if my hair is starting to get like too puffy from the humidity and whatnot, I will twist my hair just to give my hair a little bit more stretch. So that's what I did last night. And last night I used this Mama Says Rock You Out Twist Butter from Soultanicals. And I use this because it's not water-based, and I was worried that if I used a water-based product that my hair would start reverting back to its more curly or curly state, and I didn't want that. So I just applied this to my hair last night and that was all. And let me show you the consistency of this. So I would just like dig my fingers. It's pretty solid, so you have to dig in, but once you get it out, it just melts into your strands. You see, it just melts. Like as soon as you put it on your hair, it just melts into your strands. You can see the shine. So yeah, I'm going to take my twist down, but that's what I did. And you guys don't have to use that product, of course, but just use like a nice butter or whatever product that you really like to give your hair some moisture, especially if you want to give your hair like that shine or luster when you take your hair down. So that's what I did last night. But as far as some other nights, I do make sure that I'm oiling my scalp as well, especially the areas where my edges are thinning or areas where I really want my hair a lot more healthier. For instance, my crown area. And so, but usually I just oil my whole scalp. Not all of us can oil our scalp due to other conditions, but for me, that's what I do, and I like oiling my scalp. So the oils that I've been using is the Bloom Super Potent Healthy Hair Growth Oil from Soultanicals. And then I've also been using this Tropic Living Jamaican Black Castor Oil Hair Therapy with black seed and black walnut oil. So what I would do, so I'm gonna use this super potent one. And just focus on my edges here and just rub it in, massage it gently into my scalp. I'm also being careful when I do my twist up here in the perimeter to be not to twist it tight. You know, I twist it lightly because I don't want to be tugging too much on my edges. So this is not twisted tight. I just wanted to put the chunky twist in just to give it some stretch. I'm not trying to stretch my roots too much. And so in addition to just oiling my scalp with this oil, I like this nozzle on this Tropic Living oil because it just makes it easier just to apply in your hair. You could just put it right there and just massage it in. So use whatever oil that you really like, or any product that really works great for your scalp and will stimulate hair growth. But I am putting together a plan because I did want to do a hair growth challenge. So if any of y'all are interested in joining in, then please raise your hand. So yeah, I'm working on that because I mentioned a couple months ago how I wanted to do a healthy hair growth challenge. So I'm gonna take these down. yeah, at night, you know, before you go to bed and your hair isn't, or your curls or coils aren't really stretched, it'll be good just to put it in chunky twists. Especially if your hair, if you know that your hair tangles a lot, then it'll be really good just to keep your hair stretched. So I'm actually going to leave it like this because I know as soon as I step outside, it's going to be a whole different story. So I don't want to separate it anymore than what it is right now. So I think this will do for today. Also too, another thing I've been very careful about is when, you know, if I'm trying to style my hair a little bit and I'm tempted to like pull this back, I do it very gently. I gently pull it back where I'm not tugging too much, and then I'll use a bobby pin and just to tuck it back some. So might be something like that, for instance. But you know, if you're gonna pull your hair back, just do it gently. Make sure you're not putting too much tension on your hair. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you all later. Bye.